So we did my contour and my blush off camera and my lips, my highlighter. So that's basically it. I just wanted to say that, and I hope you guys enjoy this series. And this is my makeup look. Let me take out my clips. So, my God, and that's basically my pink lemonade makeup look. I actually really like it. It's really cute. It's my style. I was gonna do style, but I just like the colors pink. Not really. I like the colors yellow. I was just like, oh, pink and yellow match. I was like, amazing. So that's just that video. Very quick, simple. Not simple, but it was fun. Well, just comment down below or like any of my videos, like my parts, and if you like that, then I will know that you guys enjoyed these videos, like my actual tutorial videos with no pausing, except this right now. But I don't know, it's actually really fun for me. I probably said that a ton of times, but it really was. It's just a fun experiment, you know. I'm also I don't really have good abs, so that's also why I'm doing no pausing, because I'm on my camera roll. So that's it for my parts, like for my part 1, part 2, and part 3. And so I hope you guys enjoyed that, and subscribe, like all of my parts, even this video, even though it's not that interesting. And turn those notifications on after you subscribed, if you did, and comment down below if you want. And that's it. Goodbye, guys.